Hello there and welcome to another video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. Dividend is very important for us investors. It is one of the ways we can beat the general public, and the dividend has made up 60%, so that's almost 2/3 of the gains of the S&P 500 over the last 25 years. So it's a way of having safer investments and just getting more returns in general. I'll give you 10 good dividend ETFs, which is a great way to get dividend. I'll have different ones. I'm not going to list 10 US dividend ETFs or 10 sector specific ETFs. I'll have a little bit of everything, a good mix. I'll start off with my personal favorite, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield. VYM pays about 3% dividend. Very cheap, very good dividend. Next one is going to be the Global X Chinese Technology ETF. So that's ticker QQQC. That pays about 3.3% dividend. China, there's a lot of growth, technology, even more growth. So I think this is a very good combination. Next one is going to be the largest ETF in the world, which is the Spdr S&P 500 ETF. SPY pays only about 1.9% dividend, but it's very safe, and S&P 500 is one of the most stable and best indexes you can be in. Next one is going to be iShares Emerging Market ETF, which is DVYE, pays a 3.3% dividend. This is a global ETF. It's part Taiwan, China, Thailand, Vietnam, countries like this. So a potential for very good growth, capital appreciation. And since it's a very risky ETF because it's emerging markets, it's very good to have a high dividend, which sort of smooths out the returns. Next one is going to be Vanguard European ETF, Vgk. I think this is the best way to invest in Europe. It pays 2.6% dividend. It doesn't get much better than that. It's a broad European ETF, but Europe just pays a lot of dividends. So I think this is the cheapest and best play for Europe, hands down. Next one is going to be the Vanguard Pacific and Asia ETF. So that's VPL. Can just continue down here actually. VPL, very good general play for Asia. It pays a whole, 2.4% dividend. So still mainly a dividend ETF, but it doesn't necessarily target ETF companies. It's a broad index. Next one is going to be the Vanguard, a lot of Vanguard here. Vanguard Total Global Global Stock Market, which is VTI. So this is basically a one ETF for everything. It's the whole global stock market. Of course, it's mainly going to be US, UK, and China. So it pays 1.9% dividend, a bit lower, but again, it's a very general play and it's a global one, so it's very safe, very good play. Next one is going to be the Wisdom Tree US Mid Cap Dividend ETF. So that's a mouthful. So that's DON. Most of these ETFs are going to be large cap. So that's companies with billions and billions of dollars in market cap. Mid cap are companies that are a little bit smaller. So there's more potential for growth. This one actually pays 2.4% dividend. So you get good potential for growth as well as a high dividend, which is actually quite rare. Now, one of the last one is going to be iShares UK Dividend ETF. So that's EWU. It pays 3.3% dividend. UK is a quite volatile place at the moment, but otherwise it's quite safe, quite stable. It has had very good growth in the FTSE 100, and it's a good play for the European economy. very, very high dividend. And yeah, I think it's a place with a lot of exciting opportunities, especially at the moment. Last one is going to be the Spdr Global ETF Dividend. There are not many of these global ETFs targeting dividend companies specifically. So that's ticker WDIV. And that pays about 3.4% dividend. So that is, US, China, UK, Japan, Germany, etc., etc. So it's going to be mostly in the larger economies. So very safe, and you get a good dividend. So go out there, find some dividend, and just let the dividend do all the work for you. Now, if you want to know more about ETFs or dividend in general, check out the rest of the channel or visit investingforall.com.